Hi, I'm Kaitlyn, jewelry expert at BriteCo Insurance. From red carpet looks to everyday outfits with a twist, statement rings are having a serious moment. But what exactly makes a ring a statement ring, and how do you wear one the right way? Today, I'll walk you through what defines a statement ring, how to style it, popular types, and whether it's worth investing in one for your collection. Let's start with the basics. What is a statement ring? A statement ring is a bold, eye-catching piece of jewelry that's designed to stand out. Unlike classic or minimal rings that blend in, statement rings demand attention. They're often oversized, unique in shape, brightly colored, or feature unusual materials. In short, a statement ring doesn't whisper, it speaks loudly. You'll often see them worn solo or on one hand to serve as the centerpiece of a look. But statement rings aren't just for special occasions anymore. They're making their way into everyday fashion too. So what exactly qualifies a ring as a statement piece? It's less about one specific feature and more about the overall impact. Here are a few qualities that typically define statement rings. The size. Large or chunky settings immediately grab attention. The shape. Unconventional or sculptural designs like geometric forms, asymmetry, or stacked layers stand out from traditional bands. The color. Bright gemstones, enamel, or mixed materials add visual pop. Detailed engraving, texture, or mixed metals can give a ring a unique flair. Ultimately, it's about boldness. If your ring turns heads or sparks compliments, it's a statement ring. There's no single look when it comes to statement rings, which is part of what makes them fun to wear. Here are a few popular types. Cocktail rings. Originally made famous in the 1920s, these feature oversized center stones, real or faux, and are meant to be flashy and glamorous. Sculptural or abstract rings, think of these as wearable art. They may look like flowing metal, geometric stacks, or architectural forms. Colorful gemstone rings, bright, saturated stones like turquoise, amethyst, or opals can make even simple settings feel bold. Multi-finger or wrap rings. Some statement rings are designed to span across 2 fingers or wrap around the hand in a unique way. Whether vintage-inspired or modern and edgy, these rings turn your hands into conversation starters. The biggest rule of styling a statement ring: let it lead. Here are a few quick tips. Keep other jewelry minimal. If your ring is doing the talking, let your necklace and earrings stay quiet. Consider your outfit. Statement rings look amazing with monochrome or neutral tones, but they can also play off a bold outfit if styled intentionally. Choose the right finger. Most statement rings are worn on the index or middle finger or ring finger. The hand you use depends on the look you're going for. And remember, confidence is the best accessory. If you love how it looks, wear it. So, are statement rings just for fashion, or are they worth something? The answer, both. Some are made from fine materials like 14-karat gold, diamonds, or precious gemstones, making them just as valuable as traditional jewelry pieces. Others use plated metals or lab-created stones, making them more affordable but still stylish. If your statement ring is made from solid gold or features high-value stones, it's worth considering insurance, especially if it holds sentimental value or is part of your regular rotation. At BriteCo, we cover loss, theft, and damage up to 125% of the replacement value. Coverage that extends wherever you travel. Visit Brite.co to get a free quote in minutes and keep your boldest pieces protected. A statement ring is more than just an accessory. It's a form of expression. Whether it's oversized, colorful, sculptural, or just uniquely you, it's a powerful way to add personality to your look. So go ahead, make the statement. Just don't forget to protect it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you the next time for more expert tips from the jewelry world.